Hi Skin Games, this is Deanna Irvin and this is week 4. I am doing a Mr. Lulu double peel. I'm prepping her skin with an oil cleanser and followed up by a probiotic cleanser. These help to make sure that her skin barrier is staying intact. If you have a lot of cystic acne around your jawline and on your neck, it is a great idea to do lymphatic drainage. I am using the Hydrafacial Lymphatic Drainage modality to help prep her before I do that double peel. The double peel is a salicylic acid in its natural form, suspended in castor oil. You will do that and watch the skin and make sure it is not too aggressive, and then you will neutralize that with the probiotic cleanser, and then you will go in with a water peel. I'm using the Azelaic Acid peel. That is about 2 to 4 minutes. That's about all her skin could tolerate. And so after that, I'm going to neutralize it again with the probiotic cleanser. After wiping her face down with gauze, I'm going to apply the Hyaluronic Acid serum by Mr. Lulu, and then I am going to put her under the Ellipsa light stem red light and amber therapy to help really let that absorb in and bring down more inflammation out of her skin. At the end of that, we are going to apply the extra nourishing oil, and we are all done for this week.